Hello everybody, in this presentation I'll show you how to install Elmer on a Windows 10 machine where you don't have the standard rights to install software. So that means that you have to use a DLL and set some environmental variables. So here we start from the elmerfem.org community homepage and choose the binaries. We scroll down for Windows and here we choose NIC Funet FI, which has the nightly builds. Among these many installers and zip files we choose the zip file that includes the GUI but does not include the MPI. So this is convenient because probably you want to have the GUI but don't want to fuss around with the MPI version. So let's choose this one. Show in folder. In fact, I already did download it, so we can save 2 minutes and we can directly use this zip file here. I extract it. For convenience, I put it to D. I know it will create a subdirectory, so I can directly use D. And it takes maybe half a minute and then it's ready. I can go to D. Here it is. That's not all. I need to do some additional steps, so for that purpose I read the README file here. So we should put these environmental variables here to the Windows version that we have. So for that purpose I search for path, edit environment variables for your account, and here we need a new one, so we define Elmer home and we put it to D. I think otherwise we can use the same. Sorry for that. Use the same, paste. So GUI, no MP, and Windows. Okay. And these are relative, so I can choose that one. Let's say new ElmerGUI home. Okay. And again new, and we define ElmerLib. Okay, and then finally we define the path which already exists. We copy paste this one. Let's put a semicolon in between and okay. So now we should have the environmental variables on place, so we can try it out. Let's choose ElmerGUI. Nice, it seems to work as intended. I try to open an existing project. I happen to know that there is a project here under Elmer Work, example 1. Nice, so I can see that the project exists and I can try to run it again. And I can try to visualize it also. So run Elmer VTK. But that's not all. I also want to see that I can do it on command line. So for that purpose I start the PowerShell. I go to the exact same location, so to D, and there I go to Elmer Work and example 1. I should be able to run it here also. Great. And also I should be able to compile some Fortran files. So for that purpose I look at this Fortran file, model PD handles. Let's try out Elmer F90 model PD handles. So I create a DLL using this existing Fortran file. Let's see how it goes. Great. So here I have installed Elmer on Windows 10 machine using a zip file and setting the environmental variables, and it seems to work both on the GUI and on command line. I hope this was useful for you and you have a nice time with Elmer. Thank you.